Hello guys. So today I will teach you how or why rather should assert equals method should be the last statement in any of the test cases that you make. Okay, in any test case, the assert equals method should be the last method that you write in that test case. So let's see why. So what happens here is that I have created two methods, okay, and what it's doing is actually printing only. So it will print 1122 33 44 and 55, right? And which test case will run first? This will run first. So as we discussed in the last class that test cases, they run in a sequence defined by or dependent on the ASCII values of the alphabets used in the method name or test case. So this is I'll run it and show you. This is proceed. Okay. So only one test case is passed. Demo 1s. Again, I made the same mistake. I actually selected it and then ran it. I'll click it anywhere else, and now run it. See, now it is test run 2. So two methods we run here, and the printing statement returns us these values 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5. So there's it's not very hard to understand, right? So what I'm going to do now, just to teach you how assert equals method works, I'll use that method. Control space, control assert equals is the first one. So I'll purposely give different values in the actual and expected parameters, so that I will show you what I want to, and why this line should be written at the last. So the last statement of any case should be this. Why I'm going to explain you now. Let me run this and explain you. See what is happening. 1122. Okay, these two lines got printed. Now, then 4 4 and 5 5. So this line and this line. It skipped this line 3 3. It's not printing. Why it's not printing? Because the execution of this test case stopped once this method returned fail. Okay, when this method, or rather this comparison or assert equals method fails here, the execution of this test case stops here, and any statement after that won't be executed. Okay, in this test case, I'm talking about this particular test case, anything, if the condition, if this one fails here, then in this test case, after this line, there will be no statement for execution. So what it will do, it will fail here and then jump to the next test case. Okay, so that's why it is a good practice. Now suppose if any important code is written here, it will skip it, right? So we don't want that. So what we will do, we will make assert statement the last statement of any test case. So even though it fails, all the other code that we wanted to execute, we we can execute that, and it will fail only at the last statement of that test case. Okay, so now it will fail, but whatever code I have written, it will execute first because it is the last statement. See, now it is 1122334455. Okay, So it failed here at this line, but since there's no code after this, so it will jump to the next test case. Okay, so this is why assert equals method should always be the last statement, irrespective of any situation you come across in terms of coding and all. It should be the last statement. Okay, and I explained you how and why. So thanks for watching, and guys, let me know what all topics you want to learn. I'll because I'm making these videos randomly, like I'm not following any set here, that set pattern that I will teach Java first, then I'll teach Selenium first. I'm randomly making videos, so please guide me that what you want to learn from me and how you want to learn it from me. So that will be all for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.